And welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Racing now, the 6-year-old Bay gelding Big Daddy Kool, who is seeking stakes earnings to qualify for the November 9 Diamond Mile, easily put away his 5 rivals in the Prime Minister's Stakes over 10 furlongs at Caymanas Park on Saturday. Denise Walters has our summary.
Despite issues at the start gate that could result in a possible injury for Big Daddy Kool, he made it look easy going 2 turns after being left at the back of the 6-horse field. It was stable companion Houdini's Magic and Superluminal that tussled for the lead and had a duel going before Big Daddy Kool was put on the ride by Ray and Lewis.
Find maybe 8 lengths to get to the leader. Feroz looks to have had enough. Bruce Wayne has never been in it. 3 furlongs remaining. The war up front continues. Superluminal just the leader. Houdini's Magic is on the rail. They reach the 5/16th. Big Daddy Kool now beginning to reel them in quickly as the field turned for home in the Prime Minister's Stakes. It is Superluminal. Big Daddy Kool now pouncing quickly on the outside in the yellow cap. And Big Daddy Kool hits the lead inside the final 3/16. Superluminal continues to fight. Dante is left over on the rail. Houdini's Magic has done his work and cried enough. Feroz toward the outside, but it's all Big Daddy Kool in the Prime Minister's Stakes. A 16th to run. No denying Big Daddy Kool and his connections. Ray and Lewis and Big Daddy Kool win the Prime Minister's Stakes by maybe 6. Over Superluminal, Dante, Bruce Wayne comes on for 4th.
Big Daddy Kool won by 6 lengths in a pedestrian 2 minutes, 8 2/5 of a second.
We have a bigger problem when we go back home and we see something this afternoon or tomorrow morning, so I'm not really happy to tell the truth with our gate crew. Well, he has a couple of options. He has the Governor General Stakes next month, and he has the Super Stakes the month after, and then on to the Diamond Mile in December. So let's keep our fingers crossed that he hasn't hurt himself badly.
Meanwhile, 1-9 favorite Tomahawk made light work of the front runner Dash, a maiden special weight contest going over 5 furlongs round.
Tomahawk as they come spinning into the turn. They're into the lane now, a quarter of a mile to run. Tomahawk applying pressure to Powerman. These two stride for stride as they run toward the furlong pole, and now Tomahawk picks up the lead under Omar Walker and begins to assert over Powerman. Crafty Zelazine is left 3 or 4 lengths back and running in third, ahead of Run Jay Run, and Daytona Bell has petered out completely, but it's all a Tomahawk at 1-9, winning the front runner Dash the way a favorite should, possibly 7 lengths ahead of Powerman. Then Crafty Zelazine.
The 2-year-old Bay Colt won by 8 lengths in 1 minute 2 2/5, and the trainer Wayne DaCosta is looking for a better performance next time out.
An average performance. Marky the breeze is blowing pretty strong, but 1-2 is nothing to rant and rave about. But a win is a win, and we are hopeful that he'll improve after this run.
Racing continues next Saturday. I am Denise Walters reporting from Caymanas Park for TVJ Sports.